Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove email headers when printing emails in Thunderbird. This is particularly useful if you want cleaner, more professional-looking printouts without all the technical details cluttering the top of your page. Let's get right into it. First, open your Thunderbird application and make sure you're on the main screen. Now, look to the top right corner where you'll find the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add-ons and Themes. This will take you to the section where you can enhance Thunderbird with additional features. Once you're in the add-ons page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Printing Tools NG and hit Enter. This is a specialized add-on designed to give you more control over how your emails print. When the results appear, click on the Printing Tools NG add-on from the list. You'll then see an option to add to Thunderbird. Click that button and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and click Add to install the extension. The installation should only take a moment, so just give it a second to complete. After the add-on is installed, navigate back to the main Thunderbird page where your emails are displayed. Click on any email from your inbox to open it. This step is important because you need to have an email selected to access the printing options properly. Now here's a step that might not be immediately obvious. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. This will reveal the traditional menu bar at the top of Thunderbird, which is hidden by default in most modern versions. You'll see options like File, Edit, and View appear across the top of the window. From this newly visible menu bar, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for Printing Tools NG options and click on it. This opens the settings panel specifically for the add-on you just installed, where you can customize how your emails print. In the Printing Tools NG options window, you'll see several tabs. Navigate to the one labeled Headers. This tab controls what information appears at the top of your printed emails. Here you'll find a checkbox that says Hide the Headers. Check that box to remove all the technical header information from your printouts. Once you've done that, click OK to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully configured Thunderbird to print emails without those cluttered headers. From now on, your printed emails will look much cleaner and more presentable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.